Ready.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to Kiera TV, and welcome back to another. Sorry, it's not a movie. It was supposed to be a movie, but circumstances it couldn't get to finish because the pregnant girl, I really want to expose her information, but something did good and she couldn't get to come back. But me all do the movie same way, but different way. But me just drop it same way go now. We have a little issue, that's why we have to take some post on the channel. But we are working on a movie now, but we go and watch this meanwhile. And this movie I got also there over RJ Films. Go over there and subscribe. The link will go down in the description box below. Short film, this short film. That's what I said. This short film is gonna also be over RJ Films. Link in the description box below. So just go over there and watch it. Then come back over here and watch it. Or anyway you choose. Share and thanks for your support always. Appreciate it. Big up on yourself. Enjoy this, and please have a comment more. We're gonna do it, but no, we're gonna just probably need at least 2 or some more people to do it. The right type was supposed to be hard way, but it worked out same way. It's not too bad, but I'm gonna post the same way. So just enjoy and stay tuned for the full movie, and big up on yourself. Enjoy.
Please help me out, I beg you, please. I'm pregnant and I'm not eat from morning. I beg you.
No, not today,
please.
not today.
Miss, please, I beg you, please. Just even one $50 figures, please.
Alright. What is the figures?
$50.
And the biscuit?
$50 for the figures and $60 for the biscuit. Any one of them I want, miss.
Alright, give me figures and the biscuit.
You can just give me $100, yeah? Chicks, nobody no want chicks to buy. Nobody not even get on the road from morning. I'm hungry. Chicks. I can't buy that, no.
Good morning.
Good morning.
You know, say you me look for, go up there so me not see, and then me say me walk come out here so. Why? Me no know where your name? What's your name? I never get your name.
My name is Tina.
Why Tina? From go last night and buy chicks for you. I couldn't stop think about you and the condition we're in. And I say it rough. And I couldn't imagine somebody pregnant if you come out here and I said and I try to make it. I don't know if you mind, but I'll wash me just to wash while ago. I may have work late about 3 o'clock. I may think about it. I may make up my mind. I come to ask you if you want to come live with me. I may alone there in my house. I have 1 2-bedroom. Kitchen, everything, veranda. You can come stay with me. You can probably cook, wash a machine me have, and you can give all the money because this way I do in a healthy and you look like you really need the help. Even though I don't know you, but you look like you really need the help. So if you would have like me, if you help you out, I would really appreciate it. What do you think about that?
Yeah, I would love to come live with you, but I don't want pressure, you know.
I don't know pressure man Tina, me say me been a think out here, me can't sleep at night time knowing say I'm alone in the house, me a work, me have no picking nothing and you the out here so me can't help you. Me don't know, me not feel comfortable with that. So just please come. Me have work to go 3 o'clock, me have to go get ready, I'm going to show you around and everything. So just please get up and come and you need a change of clothes too.
Alright, thanks. So yeah, me I go come with you.
Tina, so this is it in a concrete a board. One room there, so my room, your room I got there on my back, the living all the right here, so the kitchen there and the bathroom there in between my room and your room, right? Me have work to go get ready for so later we give you update. Me have some clothes, me don't know if they can fit you. What size you wear?
I'm not really sure what size I wear, but I'm not fat, so maybe they can fit me.
Alright, so I go Kiera in my room, show you where clothes and there. I have work to go, so I go get ready. And then later when I come back, I give you updates. And food in our fridge, I eat fruits, I love fruits. So fruits in our fridge, I can't chop with them not gonna be no problem to me. If you want to cook something there, I eat anything, only seafood that not going in our fridge because I don't eat it. So you can cook something if you want, and when I come back from work, we talk more. I get to know where you're from and whatever. So I go get ready for go work and I show you your room, alright?
Yeah.
Alright, so come. So I go right now. I work from, it depends on our shifting. Some work from 3 to 9, sometimes 3 to 8, sometimes early morning come back 12, 11 o'clock. But I dep on night shift because I have some typing thing to do. I work on an IT place like, we do typing, we do all of that. Something. I will come back later and keep you updated. So I go now, come back later as myself food in the fridge, I can cook, and then when I come back we talk, alright?
Yeah.
So I want to see if you're ready. I don't feel like I do it there, but we just like that my door. See, if you want to lock it door, you can lock it door if you want. And the Wi-Fi password, yeah, oh, sorry, you're not on the phone. The Wi-Fi password already on TV. I'm sure everybody knows work or remote, right? So later on, I'll come and look it up with it. So go on enjoy face, feel at home, not feel too pressured. You know me just feel nice, don't like how you feel. So later, right? Morning, Tina.
Morning.
Always asleep.
It was good.
Boy. Sorry, so never there last night or your first night. How was the sleep? You like your place? Do you feel comfortable?
It did alright. I sleep alright. Everything did good.
Alright, nice to know. The work we do, as I can see, sometimes it is like this, but you see through me did kinda reach late yesterday evening. So me have to stay over. We don't mind, we get enough money for that what we do so. But anyways, we did really want to come back for hear your story. But we have time now, we don't go back and work till 6 this evening, so you can, if you mind, I don't know if you feel comfortable telling me, it's fine, but if you want, you can tell me.
So I did live with my mother, and I did have some friend and them got a party. And we did a drink and get drunk and something. And then after a while, I don't know what happened. I just wake up the next morning and find myself naked. And going back to my mother 2 weeks after my find out say I'm pregnant. My mother started cuss and put me out, and she said she don't want me in her house and my father dead. I never have nobody to live with. And then afterwards, we just did that for start sell cheap chicks. Beg money and sell cheap chicks. And be like me, I beg money for sell cheap chicks. Me get rape again. Top of my pregnancy, I never know if it do. So me did live. Me just sell cheap chicks and live in our uncompleted building. So till you help me, me give thanks for that.
Wow, that is a lot. We can just imagine where you've been through. How you manage to deal with that? Me try to understand. Like, me could cope more than probably my daughter already. Me could cope with that. You're strong, you know, girl. You ever consider giving your life to God?
Yeah, me think that enough time for go to church, but me not no church clothes, no nothing. And me not no baby father, so I just have to just hold it out and just go and hold it faith and sell me cheap tricks and try make it through life and see what will happen for me. I don't know.
Boy, I don't know what to say. Anyways, all of them there, he done with now. The day so now. As me say, I'm alone there. As you can see. If you never there, you also the lock up. Empty. Me get one bag of money for me pay, all me do is save. They already have this place here. And I don't know what to do with it. I don't believe in this buying car business. So I'm not them type of person where you know if you go buy a car and rate it, come and get enough money, me save, help other people. That is what me do. Alright, so today is Thursday. Saturday I'm day off, right? But I'll take you out to shopping, buy you some stuff. I don't know why you eat. Me and you different. Me eat this, you know, eat that. So I go Kiera, buy the things that you want. If you like, mother can buy your one phone. Order some clothes, make you sell it online like you have your one clothing store. You don't have to go me work past the shipping company them in town. So you can just get the order, wrap them, you give me them and me drop them off to wherever they should go. You have no problem with that? You alright with doing that or whatever? Could I make you look where your account where you can collect your money in so you alright with that?
Yeah, that wouldn't be good because that wouldn't help me out and help me to contribute to bills and something. So that wouldn't be good.
I know you contribute to no bills or nothing. That way you're going to do, that a year when you save it. So that's by the time baby if you come, you can buy a lot of things, baby stuff. And then you can, probably one at a time, then you can move out of here. So to go and left me, go and rent for you one place and you'll be able to know alright, you can still do your work. So, anyways, did you cook yesterday? Last night or you never bother cook?
No, I never cook. But they just get something to eat. I never really cook.
Alright then, so we can go look over breakfast and then we eat and then we go fresh up and things. So come on now. Nothing happen to you, please do. That's a gonna on my conscience. Anyways, now we're gonna work now, so later. How your clothes thing going? Everything going alright?
Everything good enough. It's just that the clothes don't sell off and no one buy somewhere. But my card now work or nothing like that.
I said online so they go on something you can work. You know what else? They can borrow mine and then later when time I come back, I collect it back for you. Just use it. And then you can give me back the money after a fire card when you go dry, right?
Yeah man, thanks. Me do it and give you back your money.
Alright, no problem. Later. Alright, later, here?
Yeah. Kiera help me out good. I can't use 30 grand and start no clothes business and me have my baby for look after. Why? I don't want she find out to know do God help me please. If she not find out say me still a sell 3 chicks and me not do no clothes business. Just hope she not find out. 3 chicks. 1 3 chicks. 3 chicks.
Let's see now, Valley. Hey. You know, so I'm not really in a cheese business, bro. How much one of them?
$50 for your figure. $50 for your figure. You know I want to buy. Please now beg you, sir. Buy one from me. If I even now go easy, buy it for somebody.
$50, you say?
Yeah, $50.
Yes, yeah.
Chicks.
Ready.
Yeah.
What you got? Tina? Look how I look for you. Where you go? Me da look for you now because I come in early today. How where did go?
You know, so I just come from the road and I just go walk and stretch my foot.
Oh, that is nice. So you not cook nothing hungry, you don't want something to eat?
Yeah, I did plan so when I come back, I go look for something. I never know say I come home early.
Oh, you know today we have a meeting with the bigger heads and then after I meet them, they say we can just go and go finish work on my laptop. So we just come and out. But anyways, if some pork, you can wrap up some pork with some rice and peas and some fried rice plantain.
Yeah man, we can do that when I'm ready.
Alright, so I'm go and clean up your stuff and then I drop for me close them in a machine so then you can get the air out here. Yeah. So you can go and go do that, yeah?
Alright.
Again?
Yeah, I'm there. I sell my cheese sticks them.
Oh, you're good though?
No, I'm not good, you know. I'm there. I'm not live nowhere every day. I come out here. I can't get no food to eat and them I'm not sell off. I don't know what more to do.
Boy, you have to just have faith some of the time, you know, because you don't work then. You have to have faith and patience. You reckon me do so. You have to just go and do a little juggling and see. Although you can't too pressure yourself still because you have a baby on the way, but you have to do for survive. But we see always I come out of my lane and see us. How much you live?
You know, so I don't guess me live there in an abandoned building. I not too really have nowhere to live. Just I live in our old house in the meantime till better come.
Outside, rough. But me have one extra room up at my place, you know. See, I don't know if you want to come go and stay there.
I go agree. Action.
Well, me tell you how much time. Come up at my place now. Come up at my place. I'll do on my baby. Me will help you take care of. Me can do a small amount of money. You can give you, me will give you. Me a family member who did it. We can give you all good things here. Me come up at my place, come stay. Because baby can't out. Boy.
Yeah, man, I don't like to come up at your yard and stay. Because at least up there will be better than the old place where I live in down there. So when rain and fall, me I get wet. So me I go come stay with you.
So come on down now. Up at my yard down now. Because I have shop with you go, so come on.
You know, so I can't come with you now, do. Because I have some whole clothes to pack up and something.
Then me can help you.
But sure, I wish by you live and me come tomorrow. Early morning, I go come. I not disappoint. I go come. But sure, I wish by you live.
Alright, you see that lane the right there, sir? You go down in. You take one shortcut on your left. When you pass the first house. You go through the shortcut, then you see one blue house.
Yeah.
You walk past the blue house, you go see one orange house. Right in front of the yard there. We have one big black gate with some white design on here. So just go right there, so you go call me.
Alright, me I go come tomorrow,
Yeah.
I come tomorrow.
Make sure I'm not pass the bucket, you know.
No,
So
you're not.
you go down and pack up your thing them.
Me I go pack up, man. You're not passing.
Alright.
Oh, stick to that. Get some of the dirt them out there and some more fun.
You know, somebody that come talk to you, do. Come me find one little boyfriend and we talk 2 weeks now and he did ask me to come live with him. So, me I go stay with him.
Well, Tina, that sound kinda willing to make you come live with him, even though I don't feel him, baby, and you're pregnant and you're not working, just a little clothing business. That don't sound too right. You sure about that?
So, what you think about that? No, I don't know what you think about that.
Well, if you're comfortable and that okay with me, but I one thing do me, I go miss you. So what you gonna do? You go pack up your things, them?
Yeah.
Alright, so I can follow you and then we follow you, go down and play, see if you're a nice place and see if you're comfortable there. I just make you go by yourself. So come on, follow you, go in, go. Are you pack already? Did you pack already?
Yeah, I did have something them already.
You're well trying to go well with me. Alright, so just make sure you take care of yourself, please. If I nothing, call me. Call me as I tell you, I don't have a problem. But just make sure you know what you do and make sure you're not hurt, you're not touching nothing, and you feel safe in the place when there and whatever, alright? Yeah. Because you can't deal with stress and pregnancy, alright? Yeah, alright.
So yeah, you accept me with my baby and say I'm gonna take care of me and the baby, and he seems like a nice person because he's not show me no bad face nor nothing. So I can go stay with him and see where he work out and
So you feel safe?
yeah, yeah, alright.
Alright, well, so once you... Alright, so... Alright, Alright, so you have reached the end. Hope you enjoyed. If you did enjoy, remember, if you're new, subscribe, turn on the post notification bell. Thanks for watching and big up on yourself. Remember, new movie coming soon. Just give it a little time. Please, we really appreciate the time. So big up on yourself and stay tuned for the next movie. Subscribe, Kiera and Toga TV, link over down in the description box below. We have 2 new prank over there. Go and go watch Enjoy yourself, meanwhile, until new movie drop. Big up on yourself.